Welcome to History Explained, where we illuminate the past to better understand our present. I'm your guide to your daily journey through the past to empower the future. Today is Tuesday, July 29, 2025. As we do every Tuesday, we're exploring the life and legacy of an influential individual whose impact continues to shape our world. Today, we turn our attention to Nikola Tesla, the Serbian-American inventor whose revolutionary work with electricity and magnetism laid the foundation for modern electrical power systems. Born on July 10, 1856, Tesla's visionary ideas and eccentric personality made him one of history's most fascinating scientific figures. What makes Tesla particularly significant is how his inventions transformed everyday life, while his forward-thinking concepts anticipated technologies that wouldn't be realized until decades after his death. His work enabled the electrical age that powers our modern world. So let's explore the remarkable life of Nikola Tesla, examining his early innovations, his rivalry with Thomas Edison, his groundbreaking discoveries, and his lasting influence on technology and popular culture. Nikola Tesla was born during a lightning storm in Smiljan, in what is now Croatia, then part of the Austrian Empire. His mother reportedly said the midwife declared this an omen that he would be a child of darkness, but his mother replied that he would instead be a child of light, a prophecy that proved remarkably accurate. Tesla's father was an Orthodox priest who wanted his son to follow a religious path, but Nikola showed early fascination with mechanical devices and electrical phenomena. As a child, he built water wheels and crossbows, and demonstrated an extraordinary visual memory that allowed him to construct complex machines entirely in his mind. He studied engineering at the Austrian Polytechnic in Graz and later at Charles Ferdinand University in Prague. Tesla's professors were amazed by his ability to perform complex calculations mentally and his innovative approaches to electrical problems. In 1884, Tesla emigrated to New York with little more than the clothes on his back and a letter of recommendation. He quickly found work with Thomas Edison, who was already famous for inventing the phonograph and developing practical incandescent lighting systems. However, Tesla and Edison soon clashed over fundamental approaches to electrical power. Edison championed direct current, DC, systems, while Tesla believed alternating current, AC, was superior for long-distance power transmission. This disagreement led to Tesla leaving Edison's employ and eventually sparked the famous War of Currents. Tesla's breakthrough came when he developed a practical AC induction motor and polyphase system. This invention solved the major problem of transmitting electrical power over long distances efficiently, making it possible to locate power plants far from cities and distribute electricity widely. In 1888, industrialist George Westinghouse purchased Tesla's AC patents for the enormous sum of $60,000 plus royalties. This partnership provided Tesla with the resources to develop his ideas while giving Westinghouse the technology to compete with Edison's DC systems. The rivalry between AC and DC systems came to a head at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago. Westinghouse and Tesla's AC system was chosen to illuminate the fair, demonstrating to millions of visitors the superiority of alternating current for large-scale power distribution. Tesla's success continued with his work on the Niagara Falls Power Plant, the first major hydroelectric facility. The plant used Tesla's AC generators to harness the fall's power and transmit electricity over long distances, proving that AC could power entire cities. Beyond his practical inventions, Tesla was a visionary who imagined technologies far ahead of his time. He conducted experiments with wireless power transmission, believing he could distribute electricity globally without wires. While this specific vision never materialized, his work laid groundwork for later wireless technologies. Tesla's later years were marked by increasingly eccentric behavior and grandiose claims about inventions that may never have existed. He became reclusive, developed obsessive behaviors, and made dramatic announcements about death rays and earthquake machines that captured public imagination but had little scientific basis. Despite his personal eccentricities, Tesla's legitimate contributions to science and technology were enormous. He held over 300 patents, and his inventions included the AC motor, radio technology components, and early X-ray experimentation. His work enabled the modern electrical grid that powers our civilization. Tesla died alone in a New York hotel room on January 7, 1943, largely forgotten by the public despite his revolutionary contributions. However, His reputation has been rehabilitated in recent decades, and he's now recognized as one of history's greatest inventors and electrical engineers. Today, Tesla's name adorns everything from electric cars to scientific units of magnetic field strength. His visionary ideas about wireless communication and electrical power distribution anticipated many aspects of our connected, electrified world. Tesla's life demonstrates how scientific genius often comes paired with personal challenges and social difficulties. His story reminds us that the individuals who transform our world are often complex figures whose personal struggles don't diminish their professional achievements. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of Nikola Tesla's life and legacy. Tomorrow, we'll be back with our World Events episode where we'll be examining the Berlin airlift and how it became a defining moment of the early Cold War. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how Tesla's innovations continue to influence modern technology. Until next time, I'm your guide for History Explained, where we believe that understanding yesterday is the key to navigating tomorrow.